Hello everybody, I'm back again today to make the Orangery soap. It's already made, it's here, and I'm pleased to say that it went very well. Not like the last one, the ghost smoke soap I made. This one soaked really nicely. So this one is a really nice blend of sort of like a sugary orange. It's very, it's got like a tangy scent to it, but it's like a soft, sweet orange lolly. That's what it reminds me of, like an ice lolly. Love it. So this one's just white in the base, and then I'm using an orange mica for the swirl. I'm doing my usual chopstick swirl, and then the nice sort of pushy inny top, rather than the one I do with the spoon, rather than the peaks. So stay tuned and you can see how I made it. Okay, I'm going to add my lye solution to my oils in here. So this is the second batch of soap today. And this one shouldn't cause me any trouble. So, just gonna stick around it lightly and pour some off for some orange to do a swirl. Now, so just pour a bit into this small jug. And I'm going to use some clementine orange by the Soapery, and that's that nice mica. And I will use, I'm putting it in the wrong blooming pot there. Oh lordy. See what that does. Okay. I'm just gonna use my spoon to mix up. Leave that to the side a second and get the white into the base. Okay, stick on that. Doesn't matter, I've got a little bit of orange on my stick, but not very much. Okay, we're at a very light trace there, so I'm just going to add the fragrance. I'm going to be a bit cautious because that last soap was a bit nuts. So the majority in the white and a smidge left for the orange. And my spatula. Oh, such a good scent. Just going to mix that in with my spatula. Something about this scent, it smells like orange lollipops, like freeze pops, ice lollies I mean. It smells like that. So good. It's very like, it reminds me of when I was a kid in the summer. I just love this scent so much. I'm going to stick around it a bit more. First I'm going to wipe down the side and use some spray. Okay, the moulds here. So let's get the base in. Then the orange. Chopstick. So then I'm going to do my top. It's been a really rainy day today, and I was at home this morning. The dog wasn't doing so good. She's fine. She just has off days every now and again. Not often, but every now and again. Every now and again, like a human, she gets tired, and she just turned 6 this week. On Tuesday, she was 6. Bless her little heart. And today she decided she didn't really want to do very much, and she doesn't do rain. She's a typical whippet. They don't like the rain. So I left her at home this morning, and I had to come in because I got delivery, and then I went home because I had another delivery going up to my house. So I sat with her for a bit, and then Matt wasn't feeling so great either. His hip was really hurting him today. It must be the weather, I guess. You've got metal in your body. I think the weather makes quite a lot of difference to the way it feels. So he came home, and then I thought, well, I can't sit here all day. I've got to do something, and I needed to make soap because it's been so long. Honestly, the couple of weeks where I didn't do a video, I didn't make any soap at all either. It's like I said, I was making products like body creams and whipped soaps, shampoo bars like coming out my ears, and I haven't made soap for 2 weeks, so I'm a bit rusty. But I couldn't believe it had been that long, and my stocks were going down really quickly, and I thought, I can't sit at home today. I need to get back up there because tomorrow's Friday and I need to get soap made, you know. So that's what I did. I came back out, so I've got to go home soon. What time is it? 4:20 now. Plus, if I don't come into work, I don't get paid. Pay myself a wage. If I don't do any hours, I don't pay myself. So, you know, it's nice to get a paycheck at the end of the week. Okay, so just gonna clean up the edge there, and then yeah, it's not stopped raining all day. It's a horrible day out there. So what better way to spend the day than making soap? A nice rainy soap making day. Okay, so I'm just going to use my spoon to do the top. Lovely. It's nice to have a soap that's gone right. That last one, it's never done that before. That ghost smoke I made, it's never ever performed like that before. That was just crazy. I remember the soap may be a bit warmer than normal. Maybe it was a couple of degrees higher. Something going on. Okay, so that's the Orangery. I'll take a nice picture of this wet soap. And then I'll be back in the morning to cut it, and we'll see what we got inside. just the same as all the other soaps. Okay, so links to buy my recipe below, links to equipment all below, anything you want to know all below. Save you asking the questions, just look down below and there's all sorts of information for you. Okay, I will see you in a little while. Okay, so we're ready to cut. I was just taking a product shot so it's sort of ready to go. So, let's slice through the orangery and see what we have inside, which will just be a pretty basic swirl. Okay. Okay, let's just get to the inside bit. It'll be very subtle and sort of pretty, like that. There you go. Not a lot going on because I didn't use too much orange. I think one of them has got more in than the other one because when I poured the base in, you probably noticed like one was higher than the other, so one had to have more orange than the other. So I'm guessing that's the next loaf. So let's get through this and see what the other one came out like. This is very subtle. It's pretty, but I normally like a little bit more swirlage than that. Get some tissue. So it's just turned midday here. I'm a bit late coming in this morning. Yesterday was just a horrible rain. Well, it wasn't a horrible rainy day. It was just a rainy day, and I was making soap and not a lot else. And then today, the dog really needed to go for a walk because she doesn't do rain. So yesterday she didn't really go out. We took her like late afternoon, just on a quick walk around the block from where we live. So yeah, it was a bit of an uneventful day yesterday. So today I am making some more soap, I think. Okay, so let's just have a look at this. So yeah, that's today. I don't know what soaps I'm making yet. I've got a list. I got a list. So hopefully this is the one with well, maybe a bit more of a swirl. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Maybe not. Actually, doesn't look that much difference. Okay, maybe a little bit, yeah, maybe a little bit more in there. So that's the Orangery. It's such a lovely soap. I love this. Love, love, love it. So if you like a real summery, soft scent, then you'll like this one. It's kind of got the citrus, but it's more of a soft citrus. And I don't mean musky at all. It's not musky. It's still fruity, but it's just got a really, really nice, subtle and quiet scent, you know, if that makes sense, without sounding too contrived. Okay, so that'd be that. So I'll be back for the next one. We shall see how we go, and I'll have a look at my list and see which ones I'm going to do next. Something a bit more exciting than that, I hope. I've got the lavender one to do. That's one I need to make actually, because the people that have bought the soap recipe, link is in the description if you want it. I said I would put a video together from scratch, so I actually might do that today. So we'll be making a French lavender because I've not made that for ages and it needs making, so we'll do French lavender, I think. So that'll be the next one going up, and it'll be like a soap along. If you've got the recipe, then you can make it too. So I will. Okay, I will be back. Ta-ta.